Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to pair and connect your Kurdene earbuds to your Xiaomi phone. So what we want to do is swipe down from the top right, and we can go to Bluetooth here or just go to settings. Now under settings we want to go to the Bluetooth options, and we're going to wait for this to load. Otherwise, if it's slow, just go to the Bluetooth option there. So here's Bluetooth. Now we can take these out, and they should be placed in the pairing mode if they're not previously connected to a different device. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on, and you press the refresh button right here. Here's the SP9. I can select it, and it should start pairing. Let's go to pair. Now we should be able to get the audio on these earbuds. We can select this little arrow right here, and that will turn it off. So we can press this and we can go to on pair now if we want to bring it to a new device in the future. Otherwise, when you take them out of the case, they're going to connect to that the previous device. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on Your 6 Studios.